Want to see amazing views like this then? Watch the video, please, to see amazing views like this. Hey guys, it is LemmyDearDew back with another video, and today I'm going to show you a little pathway to go to an awesome area on Star Stable. If I remember rightly, we rode here, and then you ride up here. Oh jeez. So you go up here, and then take this little pathway. You may want to trot this part though, because you can fall. So keep going up. Also guys, this is how I got the achievement I can see my horse from here. This is the highest peak and you can see really good views. There is a wolf, but you get the achievement, but you don't go back to your home stable though. So just keep watching. This is like, I don't know what this is, but it's actually really cute if you want to hang out with just your friends. But this isn't the hidden place. Nuh-uh. Let's keep going. We've got to be careful here. Now, we have to get up here. What's happened? Anyway, I'm back. So you got this little pathway, then there's this little hidden part you want to go through. It may go a little bit slow because that's because of the hidden fairy dinosaur, as you can see. It is very, very pretty, and there is a wolf, there's a wolf, as you can see. But you just ride past the wolf. Just keep on watching me. Don't panic when it gets to this part, though. The wolf obviously looks at you. Go down this little part. There's more of them. The wolf's following me, guys. What's going on? Ugh. The wolf is actually following me. There's a pretty tree here. You don't go there. So, go down here. And then, you've got to jump. But be careful so you don't fall, because honestly, God, I fell. Honestly, God, I fell, and honestly, it took 30 minutes to get up. See? I fell. So, I'm just going to see what happens if I do this. Guys, I fell. That was like a fail. Up, and we are just going to quickly head back here. So I can do a run-up jump. Whoa! Ooh, that was so close. Anyway, guys, you don't need to go back that way. I'll show you the way down. But if you go here, it's a really pretty picture. So I am just going to click O here. You can see the plane as well. I'm just going to take the photo. That just looks like really pretty. And then if you go like this way, there's like another little cliff I will show you. There is this little cliff. So you get to see all of this lovely view. Then just follow me next. You can see fir grove, and then if you carry on here and go to this little bit, you get to see fir grove, and as you can see, it all links up, and it's actually really sick. It's also on my Instagram, so be sure to follow it and just like the photos. Oh, pardon me. Okay, I'm going to show you the way down. So you basically go the way that we went back. There's a pretty tree. Since the wolf's there, we are just going to take a little shortcut. There's another wolf. Anyway, this is the way I got down. I came up anyway. That's the way to avoid the wolves. But you go the way back. It'll be a bit hard to like get down, as you can tell, so you go this way and then go back here on down here. Guys, it seems weird how because like my friend Yylva Grey Wolf, I don't know how to pronounce the name, but thank you so much for showing me how to get here, and thank you so much. And as you can see, I am stuck again. I am in such a see. That took quite a long time. I had to cut that part out because it took quite a while. But no, that's going back up. So what you want to do now is take this little pathway down. You don't have to gallop it though. Not ideal. But you go down here. It took me quite a while to like get out of that. But yeah. And then you go down here. And then you just slide down here. And then you are officially back at Firgrove. So, guys, that helps you get this the achievement. I can see my horse from here. So, guys, I just want to say thank you so much for subscribing to me and watching my videos. I'm so close to 30 subscribers. 3 away, I think. And yeah, it's actually really amazing. Like, thank you to Yylva, who showed me and Ellie Sweetspoon this. And yeah, I'm friends with him, but this actually went really well. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye!